Industries around the world are being inspired by the next generation of inspection software for portable probing and scanning devices. Inspire. Inspire portable metrology software is intuitive, flexible, and easy, making measurements simple and the complex possible. The software features one simple interface for probing and scanning applications with any portable scanner or laser tracker. Adaptive measurement modes reduce the amount of software interaction needed. That equates to more time measuring and less time navigating screens. Inspire's intuitive and powerful alignments make small and large jobs easy. Make traditional datum-based alignments, feature-based alignments, best fit alignments, or use a reference point system tailored to the needs of any application. Create comparisons between any types of objects to show deviations and to optimize alignments for a virtual fit-up. The full-featured reporting suite presents basic tabular reports and customized report images. And beyond inspections, use Inspire for fixture setting and building applications. Leverage real-time meshing of scan data, as well as the ability to produce and refine finished mesh surfaces. Inspire can easily import all native CAD formats. Align and bundle your instrument network with confidence. Inspire, making measurements simple and the complex possible.